Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have another video for you all, makeup and this lovely hair on my beautiful model Gimme. Her Instagram username is at Gimme Loves Beauty. Okay, so you already know, before I braid the hair I always section them into different, like sometimes 5, or sometimes I just section them into like 4 sections. This way it's easier for me to braid. Okay, so I do braid any hair type. Okay, and I'm available for booking. You can book on my website. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from the back, and I'm using that gel. So that gel helps the hair to stick down. Okay, and it just helps the flyway, especially when your hair is blunt. Like her hair is very blunt. Like if your hair is blunt, it's very difficult to braid smoothly because you see it keeps sticking out. So if you want to braid your hair, be sure not to kind of trim them this sharp. Okay, yeah, so this is one part braided, so I'm just gonna braid this section, and then I'm gonna braid the other section. This is one section of the back done. So we are back. This is the front, so I'm gonna do a few at the front. So this is one. Okay, so this is how I braid, and I'm just gonna braid this one. Okay, so this color number 4 is so gorgeous, and how it looks so gorgeous. It's not dark, it just looks so natural on her skin tone. So, and by the way, the color that I'm using on her is expression number 4. Okay, expression color number 4, expression hair. So this is the front. So I decided to do this last bit in front of the camera so you all can see the finishing. So even though the front has got a part, you can wear the hair either way, it doesn't really matter. Okay, look at the finished look, beautiful. Look at that, girl. I love it, I love it. It looks so beautiful. Oh, lovely. So I'm just dipping the hair in hot water to seal the tips and to make the tips tapered and feather looking. Okay, this smooth helps the hair, makes the hair blend even more with the natural hair, so it just makes the hair slick. Now I'm using edge control at the front. For the foundation, I mixed 2 colors. So I mixed the NW10 and a little bit of NC42. So this is MAC. The coverage is big. So I'm going to highlight under her eyes. I'm using NC. I'm going to highlight under her eyes with the NW10 again. It's almost the same color as the foundation, okay, because we don't want it to be too light. So I'm going to set with Laura Mercier. So this is me setting the concealer, and I'm contouring reverse contour, and I'm gonna kind of bronze the face again with NW. I'm bronzing the face again with NC42 just to warm the face up, and as well as the nose. Okay, contouring the nose, and now I'm gonna fill the brows. This is my Rimmel brow pencil. This is my Rimmel brow pencil, you all. Rimmel. So now I'm gonna clean the brows. You all, this brows was so challenging because one of our brows is higher than the other one, so it was so difficult for me to kind of make them look alike. But yeah, I tried. So you all, I'm gonna do I'm doing the shadow. I'm using MAC Cock and MAC Rose. I'm just kind of blending that out like a kind of smoky eyes, because I'm gonna pop a little bit of glitter on top to make her look popping. Pop, my girl. Okay. So now I'm gonna smoke the lash line, okay, with the same color that I use on the lid. Smoke the eyes up, smoke it out, and smoke it, make everything smoky. So this is the lashes that I'm using today from eBay. So now I'm gonna apply glue. This one is glitter glue, and it's very nice glitter glue. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter, so I just dust it on, so just dust a little bit just to make the eyes a little bit dramatic. Okay, we love the drama. A little bit of drama will not kill. It won't harm anyone. It won't even harm you all, you know. Just add a little bit of glitter and you're popping. So just going back with the contouring process, just to contour again. Okay, so I'm gonna apply blushes. Okay, blush. You all, Gemma is such a beautiful lady. She's so sweet inside and out. I had fun braiding her hair and doing her makeup. We all had fun. And by the way, you all, she's pregnant and she's a makeup artist as well, so check her out. Check my girl out. Okay, check her out. So look at her, she's checking herself. Check yourself, girl. Yeah. So now I'm gonna do just applying a little bit of mascara here. We all need a little bit of mascara. Yeah. The neck, blend the neck, blend. So now I'm gonna apply the infamous MAC lipstick, which is the Ruby Woo. Now I'm gonna just go back to the brows just to put it out and fill it in a little bit as well. And now it's time to apply the Fix Plus to fix it. So you all, this is a finished look. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to book your hair appointment with me. Okay, you can do all your booking on my website. Okay, I've got an online booking system where you can just book. You don't need to call, just book it girl. This is my girl slaying. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will list all product used in the description box. Okay, bye. She slayed.